Hello everyone, this is Philip from Leftover Treasures. Today we're going to show you a step-by-step video tutorial on how to register for an online auction. We're going to show you everything from how to initially bid, how to verify that your account is active, and make sure that you receive the email after registration. So we're going to get started by finding an item to bid on. So mind you, this is without registration or bidding. This is completely new, as if it was your first time on the web. Now we need to find an item to bid on. For this demonstration, we're going to go ahead and use this item right here for our demonstration. This is without registering or logging in, so we're going to treat it as if this was your first time on the website to show you this process. So you have two options to bid. You can directly bid or you can custom bid. Directly bid is exactly what it says. It has the amount written in for you. A custom bid is where you put in your maximum bid. So if you wanted to put $10 on this item, it would show as, well, you can't do that yet because you have to register. But normally, if you bid $10, it would show as $1, and the system would bid on your behalf up to that amount. But we're going to go ahead and log in, or we're going to register for an account. When you get to this section, you'll notice three login forms. This one is if you already have an account. This is the one we're going to be working on. The one on the right is to sign up for emails. It's not related to these two. If you put in your email address here, you'll get emails that come out every week. We put out 1 to 3 emails every week, but it will not register you for the auction or the online system. In order to bid, you have to put in your email address, a valid phone number, the country of origin, and a valid credit card and or debit card. In regards to security, you would be the only person that has access to this information. I cannot, or any of my employees cannot find this information. We can't go into your account. With that said, after you win an item or purchase an item online, you would have to then log in to your account and manually pay for that item. We cannot do that because we don't have access to your account. After you fill out all this information, including your credit card, you're going to click the register button, and then you're going to go to your email account. So after you click the button, it's going to take you back to the item you were looking at, but don't do anything yet. Click the register button and wait for the confirmation email to come in, which we'll show you right now. Alright, after you click the register button, you'll notice that it'll take you back to the item you were just looking at. So at this point, yes, you can technically bid on the item because you are logged into the system initially. But if you bid, so we're going to go ahead and bid, and I'll show you the mistake with this. So if you go ahead and bid, it will accept your bid. But if you leave this page or log off or turn off your computer, you will not be able to log back on because you will have to wait until you get the email. So we're going to show you that right now. This is my totally illegitimate email account. So right now the inbox is empty because I am waiting for the email to come in. This process can take a couple minutes, or in some cases it can take a couple hours, but this is very critical to being able to bid and log into your account. If you don't get this email, check your spam folder. It might end up there, or any other junk mail folder you may have. But there it goes. It just came in. So it took a few minutes for it to come in. So please check the spam folder. It shouldn't take more than a few minutes ideally, but it depends entirely on your email client on how fast this email comes in. So as soon as that email comes in, click on it. It's going to say, hi, how you doing? Please, you can access your account. So you want to click this link. But right here is your temporary password. Now, you don't have to memorize this, but it's very critical for the next step. You're going to use this password to log in order to change your password to something you're more familiar with. So we're going to do that right now. Okay, after you click on the link, it'll take you to your dashboard. So this is your home page for your accounts that you can access through the email. So the first thing you want to do before you do anything is you want to change your password by clicking Edit Your Password and Account Details. So go ahead and click that. From here, you can enter your first name, last name, your display name. That's pretty much what people will see when you're bidding, and your password. So you want that pile of gibberish that you were sent this right here. So very important, this is case sensitive. You do not, and I repeat, do not manually type it in. The quickest and easiest way is to highlight it and copy it. And then you want to go back to your account, paste it, boom. There it is right there, no problem. This next section is where you're going to enter your new password. So you want to do something you're familiar with, something that's easy for you to remember, but this little notice right here is a very weak password. You have to enter a stronger password. So just keep entering something until it says, okay, this is okay, getting stronger. Okay. Well, I just entered in a bunch of random things. I mean, you want it to, wherever it says medium. So typically you got to do a capital letter and a symbol, numbers, and a name, and that'll get you started. So if you have a Facebook password, then this is pretty much the same drill. After you make sure your passwords match, you want to go ahead and click Save Changes. So obviously I didn't enter in a first name and last name, so you have to fill in all this information. So you have to put in the current password again, put your password again. If you don't, anything that's marked with a red asterisk is required. Now that you got all the information inputted in and your passwords match and you want to change the password that's more familiar, you click Save Changes. And now your account details have been successfully changed. So now you can go back and start bidding. But you've already placed your bid. So if you want to say, you know what, I really want that item, I want to make sure I get it, or this is how much I'm willing to spend on it, input my custom bid. So it won't change the current bid because you're the same bidder. You can't bid against yourself, but your maximum bid is $15. So if someone tries to bid on it, they go $2, $3, the system will bid in it on your behalf. The most important aspect about all of this is being able to get this email. If you don't get this email, it'll severely disrupt your ability to log into your account and bid. So after you get that email and you log in and you bid, you can always go to My Account and you can log out or you can just exit out. But just to make sure that password works, just double check, click log out and log back in. Now, if you don't get that email, if you don't get this email, you have to call us at the 691-6100 number, and we'll pretty much send you that temporary password and go through this same process, being able to change your password to something you can remember. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or if you need to be guided through this process, I can do it over the phone for you or via email, or you can actually come in person during our sale hours and we'll show you the process in person. So I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.